Rahul and Priya's English Adventure. Chapter 1. The Dream. Rahul from Lahore, Pakistan and Priya from Mumbai, India were excited, yet nervous about learning English. They knew it was important for their futures, but learning a new language felt like a huge challenge. Rahul wanted to travel the world, while Priya dreamed of becoming a successful businesswoman. They joined the same English class, both determined, but also wondering if they could really do it. Chapter 2. The Struggle. After a few weeks, things weren't going as smoothly as they hoped. Despite working hard, Rahul and Priya were struggling. Rahul was frustrated. His habit of translating from Urdu directly into English made his sentences confusing. Priya was stuck too. She spent hours trying to get every sentence perfect before speaking, afraid of making mistakes. Their excitement started to fade, replaced by worry and doubt. Chapter 3. Mrs. Anjali's Advice. One day, Mrs. Anjali, their teacher, noticed their struggles and called them aside. Learning a language isn't just about memorizing words and rules, she said, her voice calm yet serious. You're both making some common mistakes, but that's okay. The key is to understand why. She turned to Rahul. Translating directly from Urdu, it's slowing you down. Languages don't always match perfectly. Try to think in English, even if it feels hard at first. To Priya, she said, don't worry so much about making mistakes. If you're too focused on being perfect, you'll never speak freely. Mistakes are part of learning. Chapter 4. A New Approach. Rahul and Priya left the meeting feeling a bit relieved, but also curious. Could it really be that simple? They decided to give it a try. Rahul stopped translating and started paying attention to English conversations, focusing on the overall meaning rather than each word. Priya began speaking more freely, without worrying if her sentences were perfect. They also started watching English movies with subtitles, reading simple English books, and practicing with each other. They noticed that English in real life wasn't just about rules, it was about understanding how people actually spoke. Chapter 5. The Breakthrough. Slowly, things began to change. Rahul found that thinking in English helped him form sentences more naturally. Priya noticed her confidence growing as she practiced speaking without fear of mistakes. Mrs. Anjali was pleased with their progress. You've overcome the biggest hurdles, she said, her words filled with encouragement. Remember, learning a language is a journey, not a race. Keep practicing and you'll reach your goals. Rahul and Priya smiled, knowing they were on the right path. They still had much to learn, but now they weren't afraid of making mistakes. Each mistake was just another step toward mastering English.